Hello everyone, thanks for stopping back to the Camping Family channel. Had one of those impromptu camping weekends. Nothing like just deciding, hey honey, you want to go camping? Okay, let's go. Well, managed to get into Rocky Fork. It's close by, easy to get to for us. So, impromptu weekend out here at the ranch. Had a little bit of had some rain come in last night. It stormed pretty good. Had a cold front come through. Beautiful fall day today. Low 70s, maybe high 60s. Beautiful day today. Had some fun times. Took my daughter loves to go up to the craft. So years ago it used to be kid craft. Now she goes to the adult craft. But it's a daddy-daughter thing. I always had a good time doing that, so we still do that. Now, let's see. My wife and daughter went into Newcomers Town just to get out, go for a little drive. Beautiful weather, so they went in to do a little shopping, and I'm just kicking back, listening to some football, college football. It's that time of year. My favorite. Ohio State's playing tonight. OH. Just listen to Michigan and get beat bad. Ooh. But yeah, just kicking back and get a fire going here. We're going to do some hot dogs with coney sauce. So I got the Blue Sky pit opened up, ready to go. I'm going to cook on the hardwood sawdust bricks. I haven't cooked over top of those yet. So I'm going to get those fired up here next half hour or so. I believe they'll be back. And we'll see how those bricks work. Of course, I've cooked over pellets. I've never cooked over these bricks. But they're hardwood, so they should be fine to cook over. And we'll go from there. But just enjoying a nice weekend with no plans. It's rare. Yeah, that's what happens when you have a 16-year-old. Yeah, always something going on. Alright, getting ready to do a fire here. These are the pellets. These are the wood bricks I'm going to use tonight. Volunteer wood brick. Tennessee hardwood pellets. I think I got these at Menards. I think they were around $3 a container here. Thanks, Steve. So you got 6 bricks, 21 pounds for like $3.50 or something. It was under $4. So quite a bit of wood here. Let's go ahead and we'll crack the seal on these. I've got my Blue Sky ready to go. Got some twigs here to get a little fire going, and then we'll put the sawdust bricks on top. Alright, let's go ahead and do this. Alright. Got my wood lid underneath. Just slapped onto the bricks on top. Let's see how it works. Never burn wood bricks in here. See how these sawdust bricks work. For $3.50 for 21 pounds of wood, not bad. Alright, it is Sunday morning. Getting all packed up, all ready to go. Had a great weekend, just like a little impromptu weekend. Always nice to get away. Had fun singing karaoke last night. My daughter had a blast. Met some nice people out doing that. So, just a beautiful weekend. One thing to note on those sawdust bricks, I used 4 of them last night, and it lasted about 5 hours. So they did pretty good. And I think I looked like $3.25 for 20 pounds of bricks. So not too bad. Might use those again instead of pellets. I don't know. Got some more testing to do on those. But anyway, I think I'm going to call it a wrap on this weekend. And we're out in 2 weeks again. So more videos to come. Thanks for stopping by. See you on the next one.